Good morning, student. Welcome to 7th standard chemistry class. Let us see this lesson in chemistry, unit 3, matter around us. The earlier classes have studied about what is matter. Let us see what is matter. Everything around us in the world, that what we called as matter, whatever it may be, solid, liquid and gas. But matter has some property. Anything which occupies space and volume, mass, volume, and it has a mass, volume, mass. Anything which occupies the mass and volume, that is called as a matter. For example, we'll see that solid book, liquid, oxygen. So everything which is made up of particles which has a mass and volume. So anything which occupies this space and it has a mass and volume, what we called as a matter. But which is not matter means the feelings are not matter. For examples, this is not a matter. Example, heat, sound, light, which doesn't have a mass and volume. It has only a feelings. So all the feelings which is not a matter. So this matter, under the matter, we are going to study about the atoms. What is atoms? Atoms are consist of the minute particles. Minute particles. That means, example, if you take a chalk piece or it may be a coal or anything, coal or chalk piece. If you divide the chalk piece into small pieces, you break down this. So it has a full chalk piece. When you break it into small pieces, continue this breaking. When you continue this breaking, at one stage, this cannot be broken. That stage what we called as a atom. So atoms cannot be divisible. Cannot be divisible. In the earlier years, what they consider atoms cannot be divisible. But after the scientists, they have proved that atoms can be divisible. When you divide this atom, it has 3 particles. Nucleus. In the nucleus, it has protons and neutrons. Around the nucleus, electrons. Around nucleus, electrons. See, in the center of atom which contains a nucleus, around this atom contains the electrons. That we cannot be seen by your ordinary microscope, that you can see only by a special type of compound microscope. We can see. So atom is a smallest particle that we cannot be divisible. That stage what we called as a atom. And after these atoms, when these atoms are combined, when give the examples, all this hydrogen. Hydrogen is a abundant atom that is present in the space. Abundant in space. After this hydrogen, oxygen, silicon, These are all present. So, next we are going to see about this molecules. See these molecules. Molecules are one or more atoms. One or more atoms combined, it gives the molecule. It may be a same atom or other atoms, other type of atom. Other type of atom. Molecules is again divided into monoatomic, diatomic and polyatomic. Monoatomic means only one atom is present. Naturally only one atom is present in the atmosphere. Example, argon, neon. These are called inert gas. These always present in the only one atom in the space. That type is called as a monoatomic molecule. And diatomic, two atoms are combined form a molecule. That example, H2, O2. These are all same atom. And if you go for HCl, hydrogen, and this is chlorine. So, two atoms are combined, whether it may be a same atom or it may be a different. These are all called as a diatomic. And comes to the polyatomic molecule, more than two atoms combined. It is called as a polyatomic. Example, O3. And then phosphate. That means PO4. So, phosphorus is a one molecule and 4 oxygen molecules are combined. These are called as a polyatomic. And one more divisible atom is there in triatomic. Triatomic, 3 molecules are combined. 3 atoms combined. Example, ozone, O3. 3 oxygen molecules are combined. This will give the atoms called triatomic molecule. So, molecules we are divided into, that is 4 type. Monoatomic, only one atom is present, and diatomic, 2 atoms are combined. 2 hydrogen atom form a hydrogen molecule and 2 oxygen atom are combined form a oxygen molecule, and 2 different atoms, one hydrogen atom and one chlorine atom are combined form a hydrochlorine molecule. This is HCl is called hydrogen chloride. And triatomic, 3 atoms are combined. They form a molecule called ozone, O3. 3 oxygen molecules are combined. More than 3 atoms are combined that form a molecules called polyatomic. Example, phosphate, PO4. 1 phosphorus and 4 oxygen molecules are combined. They form a molecules is called phosphate. And one more example also, you can say that sulfur. These are all called as a molecule. So, molecule have a this nature, and again molecules are divided into two types. Molecules molecule of a compound and molecules of element. That we'll see in the next class, these two types of molecule of a compound and molecule of the element. Thank you.